Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area Branch. Again, student, lesson 1, number system, and here is examples of exercise 1G. Examples of exercise 1G. Here is the laws of exponent. Okay, student. So first of all, student, what is exponent? Exponent is the representation of power in the form of power. Suppose here, student, 2 into 2 into 2 into up to n term. So here the power is 1, 1 and 1. So it will be continue up to n term. Then we will write here 2 to the power n. This power indicate, and this form is the exponent form. Okay, and this is the base base to the power. This is the representation here, student. Exponent is the form of base to the power. Okay, exponent is the form of base to the power. Suppose 2 to the power n. Second one example is, suppose 5 will be repeated in 3 times. Then we will write here 5 to the power 3. So this is the form of exponent. Okay, student. The definition of exponent is the base power, means it is the form of exponent is the form of base to the power. Okay, exponent is the form of base to the power. Here is the laws. There are 7 laws in a exponent. The first one is the, suppose a to the power x into a to the power y. Here, student, if base are equal, then power will be added. So we can write here a to the power x plus y. Okay, student, this formula moves in both ways. That means here LHS to RHS as well as RHS to LHS. Suppose take one example here, student. 2 to the power x plus 1. Okay, 2 to the power x plus 1. This value can be written as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 1. That means RHS to LHS, and LHS to RHS is also exist. Okay, student. Second formula is a to the power x divided by a to the power y. If base are equal and power in the form of division, then we can write a to the power x minus y. Okay, student, this is the second formula. For example, suppose 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power 5. Here 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power 5. Look at here, base are equal, so we can write here 3 to the power x minus 5. Okay, first law, second law. Here is the third law. A to the power minus x. A to the power minus x can be written as 1 by a to the power x. Okay, student. For example, here is the example. Suppose here written 2 to the power minus x. Suppose, so 2 to the power minus x can be written as 1 by 2 to the power x. Okay, student. This example is related to laws number 4. That means property number 3. Okay. So here property number 4 is a to the power x into b to the power x. Look at here, student. In this case, base are not equal. But power are equal. Okay. But in this case here, student, base are equal, power are not equal. If base are equal, then power are not equal, then use this formula. If base are not equal and power are equal, then use a into b. Here a into b, the whole power is x. That means both power are common, so take the value of x and these two value will be multiplied automatically. Okay, so we can write here a into b to the power x. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Okay, suppose this is the form 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. Look at here, the power are equal, so we can write 2 into 3, the whole power is 3, so 6 to the power 3. This is your final answer. Property number 5, a to the power x divided by b to the power x. Again, look at here, student, a and b are different but the power is same. Then we can write here a by b, the whole power is x. Okay, take one example. 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. Suppose 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. Then we can write 2 by 5, the whole power is 3, because power are common, means power are equal. Then we can write here 2 by 5, the whole power is 3. This is the property number 5. Okay, property number 6 is, suppose a student, a to the power x is equal to a to the power y. Okay, in this case, a student, base are equal. If suppose base are equal, then power is also equal. Okay, here the student, base are equal, then power is also equal, so we can write here x is equal to y. This is your condition. If base are equal, then power is also equal. Take one example as here, student, suppose 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Okay, in this case here, student, 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 5. So automatically, student, here 2 and 2 base are equal, so power will be equal. So we can write x is equal to 5. This is your final answer. Okay, student. Property number 7, last property, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, student, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. How to prove this question here, student? A to the power 0 is equal to 1. So anything to the power 0, we can write anything to the power 0 and this value is equivalent to 1. So anything to the power 0 can be written as x minus x. We know that, student, if both value are equal and the sign is the subtraction, then these two are cancelled. So plus x and minus x. So here result is 0. So we can write in place of 0 x minus x. So a to the power x minus x. Use the property a to the power x into a to the power minus x. According to the property 1, we know that if base is equal, then power is added. So if adding these two values, then we will get the previous value. Okay, a to the power x into a to the power minus x. So here a to the power x into a to the power minus x can be written as 1 by a to the power x. Okay, student, to the power x into 1 by a to the power x. So a to the power x and a to the power x is cancelled, then result is 1. Okay, student. So student, this is your proof. So here, student, we have 7 different laws of exponent. Okay, I hope, student, you will understand each law of the exponent. Okay, the next question, one more question related to exponent is that this question, prove that 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power x is equal to 3 by 2. So here, student, from LHS side, 2 to the power x minus 1, this value can be written as 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 1, because base is equal, then power is added and we will get this result. Okay, plus 2 to the power x divided by, this is also the form of 2 to the power x into 2 to the power 1, again base is equal, power is added, minus 2 to the power x. Okay, in this case here, student, 2 to the power x and 2 to the power x, these two are the common of respective way. So 2 to the power x is the common. Here is the 2 to the power minus 1. This can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by, here is also 2 to the power x is the common. So 2 to the power 1, that means 2 minus 1. 2 to the power x and 2 to the power x is the cancel. So 1 by 2 plus 1, take LCM. 2 is the LCM. 1 plus 2 divided by 1. So here the result is 3 by 2. This is your proof. Okay, student. I hope, student, you will understand this question. The next question is question number 11. Write the following in a descending order. That means here, student, bigger to smaller. Arrange this value in the form of bigger to smaller. Okay. But here the value is the cubic root of 2. Cubic root of 2, a square root of 3, and the 6th root. Here is the 6th root of 5. Okay, student. First of all, student, this value is the cubic root of 2 and this value is the square root of 2. If suppose here is not given any value, then we can take here 2 as a 2. Okay, and this value is the 6th root of 5. Take the LCM of 3, means LCM of 3, 2 and 6. That means root of, take the LCM of root. Okay, that means cubic root of 3, cubic root of 2 and cubic root of 6. Here is the LCM 3, 2 and 6. 2, 3, 1, 3. 3, 1, 1 and 1. So here LCM is 3 2 ja 6. Okay, student, this is your LCM. LCM of 3 2 6 is 6. Take the first value, cubic root of 2. First of all, student, what will write here? Cubic root of 2. Cubic root of 2 is the 2 ka power 1 by 3. Cubic root of 2 is the 2 ka power 1 by 3. So 2 ka power 1 by 3 into LCM value is multiply here. 3 2 ja 6, 2. That means 2 ka power 2. Then this value is equivalent to 4. 2 ka power 2 is equal to 4. Take second value, a square root of 2. A square root of 3. Then this value is equivalent to the 3 to the power 1 by 2. So here 3 to the power 1 by 2. Again LCM value is multiply here. So 3 to the power 3. This value is equivalent to 27. And the last value is 6 root of 5. Okay. So 6 root of 5 can be written as 5 ka power 1 by 6. Again 5 to the power 1 by 6 and multiply the LCM value. 6 and 6 is cancelled. So 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. So here, student, this value is equivalent to 4 and this value is equivalent to 27 and this value is equivalent to 5. We know that, student, descending order means higher to lower. So first we have to take here the value is 27 because 27 is the bigger value with respect to all three values. Okay. Then the second one is the 5 and the last one is the 4. Okay. Take value 27, 5 and 4. With respect to 27, the value is root 3. So root 3 is the first position and the second position is root 5. So root 5 is equivalent to 6 root 5 and last one is cubic root of 2. Okay, student. So this is your final arrangement of descending order. Okay, this is your final arrangement of descending order. Okay, student, I hope, student, you will understand question number 11. Okay, here, student, this question, evaluate this value. Okay, calculate what is the value of this. Look at here, student, first, second, third and fourth. Here use 4 different root. That means this is the 5th root, this is the 4th root, 3rd root and here is the square root. Okay. So here, student, if you start like this way, that means First you have to solve this value, then after this, then after this, then after this. Okay, look at here. Fifth root of x का power 4 into fourth root of x का power cube into cube root of x square. We know that, student, this value is the root x. Look at here. This value is the root x. The value of root x is x का power 1 by 2. Okay, student. So we know that here base is equal, power is added. So x का power 2 into x का power 1 by 2. So we can write x का power 2 plus 1 by 2. That means x का power 5 by 2. So direct, student, we can write here x का power 5 by 2. So fifth root of x का power 4 into fourth root of x cube into cube root of, here is the x का power 5 by 2. Look at here, x का power 5 by 2. Okay, this whole power is the cubic root. Then fifth root of x का power 4 into fourth root of x का power cube into, this value is x का power 5 by 2 into, if suppose cube root of x, that means this value can be written as x का power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 will be multiply here like this. So x का power 5 by 2 into x का power 1 by 2. So what will write here? Fifth root of x का power 4 into fourth root of x का power cube into x का power, here is the 5 by 5 into 1 is equal to 5 by 3 into 2 equal to 5 by 6. Okay, look at here, student, here is again simplify x का power 3 into x का power 5 by 6. Base is equal, power is added, 3 plus 5 by 6. So x का power 6, 18 plus 5, 23 by 6. So fifth root under root x का power 4 into fourth root of, this value is equivalent to x का power 23 by 6. This value is equivalent to x का power 23 by 6. Okay. Then after fifth root of x का power 4 into, here is the fourth root. This is the fourth root of this value. That means we can write here x का power 23 by 6 into 1 by 4. Just like this. Okay. Just like 5 by 3 into 1 by 3. So here we can write 23 by 6 into 1 by 4. So fifth root of again x का power 4 into x का power 23 by 24, because 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Again, student, base are equal, power is added. So we can write here fifth root of 4 plus 23 by 24. 4 plus 23 by 24, take the LCM 24. 24 into 4 is equal to 96 plus 23 equal to 119 by 24. So we can write here x का power 119 divided by 24. Again, student, if you remove the fifth root, then we will write here x का power 119 divided by 24 into 5 will be replaced as a 1 by 5. So x का power is 119 divided by 24 into 1 by 5. So here finally a student 119 divided by 24 into 5 is equal to 120. This is your final answer. Okay, student. So the value of this expression is x का power 119 divided by 120. Okay, student. I hope, student, you will understand this question. So today homework is complete example of exercise 1G. Okay student, complete examples of exercise 1G. If you have any problem, if you have any query, ask the question. Thank you.